Let's make some juicy, flavorful chicken souvlaki made right on your stovetop. We need some chicken, pepper, oregano, lemon, onion, garlic, and some skewers. So first, add the grated garlic to the chicken. Then add the grated onion. Once that is done, add the oregano and the pepper. Add some olive oil and salt. And squeeze some lemon juice. Measurements are given in the description box. Mix it well. Let it sit marinate for about 30 minutes or overnight for maximum flavor. And if you're using wooden skewers, please remember to soak them in warm water at least 30 minutes prior to using it. This is to prevent burning. Now skewer the chicken. Make sure it is not too crowded. You can add onion slices and bell pepper slices in between. This is just a trial. I'm making it for the first time. It's beautifully getting cooked on the stovetop. Later on, I made this for the guests the next evening. This is egg curry, some chapatis, mixed veg pulao. Here you go. I added cubed onions and bell peppers. This is spinach chickpea curry. Some South Indian kheer, of course. And this is Punjabi kadhi pakora. So that was the spread. Bon appetit!